जीने की।
Okay, students, as we discussed, we're going to know about steam turbine and steam boiler. Okay, because our first unit is steam boiler and steam turbine. So we are discussing about the steam boiler and steam turbines. So before go for the steam turbine, we also discussed in previous lecture what is the steam boiler, what are the mountings, what are the uh, application of different mounting, what is the use, and what is the difference between boiler mounting and boiler accessories. So now before we going for the steam turbine, first we are going to discuss property of the steam, or what are the basic of the steam, and what are the application of steam. So here we can see what is a steam, what is a steam use, how do we create a steam, and how do we identify the steam property. So today we discuss more about the steam property. Okay, so mainly the steam is a vapor form of water. Okay, and it is the colorless, tasteless, and odorless. Okay, so steam is used to transfer heat energy from one location to another location. So why I'm going to these things again, because it is an important things. It is an important things because we totally discussing about our equipment. Our equipments, it is operated through the steam. One it generate the steam, and other is the make the uses of the steam. Okay, so the main use of the steam to run a steam power plant. Okay, so what do you mean by the steam power plant? Okay, now my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, the main use of this steam is using the power plant, paper mills. Okay, but today we talk about the power plant. Okay, what is the application of steam in power plant? So we can use the steam to rotate the turbine, and on the same shaft we can connect the dynamo or electric generator so that we can create the electricity through the steam turbine. Okay, so there is a layout of steam turbine. Okay, a layout of a steam power plant here. A modern steam power plant station is highly complex and it is required numbers main equipments and auxiliary equipments. The important equipments of a steam power plant are steam generator equipment, means by which we can generate the steam, condensation, means by which we can condensate the steam again vapor to water. Okay, prime mover. Okay, what is the meaning of prime mover? Means prime mover is through the steam we can rotate a equipment, a device that is called the prime mover. Okay, water treatment plant. Why we need the water treatment plant? We can take the some treatment of the water. That's why the we can minimize the cavitation of the water on the boiler wall. Okay, and electric equipment. What is the electric equipment by which using we can generate the electricity?